What up, awesome people? It's me, Ritvik. Alright, a lot of people are facing issues in connecting many chats with their funnel. So, in this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to set up many chats. Plus, the second thing, this I want to tell you guys, what is the use of many chats basically. Firstly, it helps you in retargeting your potential clients with the sequence we are going to make. As we are securing spot with the Facebook Messenger, so you can be in personal touch with your clients. All right, so let's do this. Pretty easy. You just need to follow the step by step, tutorial which I'm telling you. So the first thing first, I'm making this page for my friend Kenneth. He's from Malaysia, great guy. Shout out to Kenneth. So the first thing you need to do is, you need to create a page. You know how to create a page, on Facebook. It's very easy. So, you can go to community or public figure, get started. All right. So the name we'll pick is Kenneth. Add a category. You can do, anything related to your field or your niche. Let me see. Let me see. Uh, Marketing. Let us see. Okay. So it's asking for some address. You can put on anything. Country. You can put. I'm just dropping anything here. Okay. So you can just do it according to your will. Uh, State. City. Okay. Let me put Delhi and I'll do India. All right. I just hope it's going to work. Let's see. I'm really sorry for the slow internet. Okay, so it's done. Now, you can upload a profile picture or anything. I'm just skipping this step so, we can be a little fast with the tutorial. There you go. Okay, so the as you can see, the page has been created. Now you can edit your page, you can put on your pictures, anything, whatever suits you. You can go ahead with that. So the next thing what we're going to do is we're going to log in the manychat.com. We're going to click on get started. So what is going to happen? It is automatically going to pull your account from the Facebook. So, just hit this, sign in with Facebook. And what it's going to do, it is going to automatically pull your account from Facebook and you'll be here. All right, so this is the ManyChat dashboard. So now let's see, how to go about it. So first thing we are going to do is we're going to click on growth tools. All right, so I've already created a growth tool, but okay, I'll show you another one. All right, so let me just delete this one. So we'll hit on new growth tools. Okay, from here we are going to pick button and blah 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 blah. So now here in the button text option, you can pick anything according to you, but I prefer, you have to pick with get started. Now you have to click on next. Okay, now this is something important. So each time the person is going to click on the link, the link or the when he's going to hit on get started, the thing is going to redirect to a URL. So what URL you are going to use is I'll show it to you. So you're going to log into your Builderall account, go to builders, go to drop my sites. I'm sorry for the slow internet. Yes, good. So here just copy your link, open your link in a new tab, and here the page where we have to redirect the person is secured dash place. Just enter it. As now you can see, this is the page where you have to send your customer or your clients or your possible leads. All right, so just copy this link, get back here, redirect to URL, just page, and click on next. All right, so now it is going for a sequence. Once the person is going to hit on get started, what sequence he or she has to see, or what will the welcome message he or she will get. So it's really easy. I have already made the sequence. You can just copy paste it, or you just can note it down on your notes and copy paste it. Okay, I have already created one. So we'll click on edit. Okay, yes, you have to save this first. Then you go on edit. Okay, so now we are here. So I have a sequence. So I'm just going to do is copy paste. So the thing is that you get an idea how to do it. All right. So okay, this is my ManyChat account. So what I'll do is blah blah blah. So basically I have the sequence ready. So what I'm doing is copy paste. If you want the same sequence, you can just write it down from here, or you can create one of your own, or you can just mail me or ask me about the sequence. I'll email you. Okay, so first name. So we're going to remove my name from here, and we're going to type in my friend's Kenneth. Okay, now this is something important. Here you see the first name. So first name will be automatically picked from the Facebook account. Whatever XYZ name is, it's going to pick. So I'll just delete it, and I'll show you how to get this thing right. So you go here, you click on this tab. Says first name. Click on first name. Click on first name again. So now the message is here. Welcome. Whatever the first name, it's Kenneth. I'm working with the top affiliate gurus worldwide on the $1 million passive income challenge. Blah 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 blah. So here. So basically, I'm just giving you an idea. Whatever sequence or whatever thing which you want to write, you can go ahead with that. All right, sorted. So this we're going to do now. What we're going to do is we're going to click on publish. Okay. Now the next step we are going to do is we are going to create an automation, a sequence which a person is going to get after 1 hour, 2 or 3 hours, however you're going to pick. Okay, it's up to you. You can you can just play with the tool. All right, my main focus is to explain you guys how to do this and how it works. So basically, what you can do is you can just change it according to yourself. So the next thing is click on automation. We'll click on sequence. We'll create a new sequence. Upgrade to pro. Okay, so what we can do here is okay, we'll go on example sequence. So just let me see if I can rename it. Okay, I'll rename it to $1 million sequence. It's $1 million challenge sequence. You can name it whatever you want. That's not a problem. Okay, just ignore the spellings. Okay, so now what are we going to do is we're going to click here. Okay, so the first text you want to put it on is you have to click on this, then go on edit flow. Okay, now again you have to type the text. So I have those sequence ready. I have these text ready. So all I'm going to do is copy paste it. You guys need to understand the basic idea behind it, just to explain you how this works. You can totally play with the tool. You can have your own sequence. You can improvise. Whatever the way you want to do. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here on my automation sequence. I have my $1 million. Yep. I'm going to click on it. Oh, sorry. So I have my sequence ready. It's done. I don't need this, so I'm going to delete it. Okay, now the one thing is this first message is ready. Okay, now we have to add a button. So if a person clicks on the button, where he or she should land. So again, the place where he or she should land is the same your secured place link. So we're going to add button. Let's name this. Let's get started. Okay, now open website. It's going to ask for a URL. So that URL is going to be same again. Your name $1million challenge.co/secured place. So all I'm going to do is copy this link, put it here, and done. So each time somebody is going to click on let's get started, it will go on this your $1 million challenge, join the group, begin the challenge page. So this is what I'm trying to do. This is what we are trying to do. We're trying to bring the people again to this page, so they can purchase. It's helpful for your retargeting. Again, simple. We are going to publish. So we have published. Now one important thing is you have to set a time. At what time you want to send this person this message. So basically the person, when he clicks on your link and he clicks on get started, he gets a welcome message which we opted by Growth tool. Now I have chosen this time to be after an hour. So, so the person received this text after an hour. So from here, you can choose the time, save and update and schedule. All right. Now you have to just move this tab. So now it's on. The message is ready. Okay. So now the next thing, what should be the next sequence of the text? Again, click here, click on edit flow. Again, guys, I'm telling you, you have to play with the tool. I have my sequence ready, so I'm just copy pasting, you know. So so now what I'm going to do is, okay, I went there, blah blah blah. So again, it's, this is the sequence which I chose. Whoa, first name, still not impressed. I have something for you. Just see the screenshot. So guys, you can play with this. It's not a big deal. You can type whatever you want to. Whatever thing you think that will the client will get impressed, or you can convert your leads into sales. So you can type that. Okay, now there is this something which you have to do is next. You have written a text. Now as you can say, on my window there is a typing 7 seconds. So what this thing means, okay, so what this thing means is, once a person will receive this text, we are going to add a delay of whatever time you choose. Okay, in this case I have chosen 5 seconds. So what this delay makes it makes it more real, that okay, a person is typing and after 5 seconds he will receive the text. So it's very simple. The first text has been launched. Out of 5 seconds, again a text will launch. So the person who's seeing the text would see that okay, this is something real. He want to understand maybe a chatbot is doing this. So you can just use this method. So again, after 5 second delay, you want to add a text. You go drop down there, click on text. Again, guys, okay. Here I have attached the screenshot. Sorry. So what you're going to do is simple. You can play with the text, image, card, gallery, file, whatever you want to attach. I want to attach a screenshot. Like I've said, I have something for you. Just see the screenshot below. So I'm going to attach a screenshot here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on image, and now to upload image, I have to go there. I have to pull out something from my income, because this is what I want to show people, that I know how much money I made. Alright, so just open. The screenshot has been attached. It will just take a couple of seconds to upload. Alright, so what after this? What have I done? Again, there is a text, so I'm going to just copy paste. Again, text. It's pretty simple. All you got to do is just work with it. It's pretty simple. Again, I have a delay. So again, this delay is just to make it more real. So again, from the drop down, you can pick delay, whatever seconds you want to add on. Let's keep it for 7 seconds. Okay, and after that, again, I want to launch a text. So text. Again, I have the screenshot, sorry, the sequence ready. So I'm going to put it here, and okay, again there's a text, so I'm going to copy paste. Again, I'm going to just launch it from here, text. Okay, now again, when after an hour or couple of hours this message will go, again our main motive is to bring the client or bring the lead on our secured place page, so that we will insist him, or we'll try to convince him to start the $1 million challenge. So again, we're going to add a button. Whatever I have, okay, I have put it on let's get rich. You can just do it. Let's make I'm sorry, yeah, let's make money. Again, we have to decide a URL where we want the person to land. Again, we have to copy this. Guys, this is very important. Again and again, I'm telling you, the URL where you want your people to land is your name dot $1 million challenge dot co slash secured dot dash place. This is very important. Okay, so it's done. Now the other thing is that we have to give people the option of unsubscribing. What if they don't want to buy it? We cannot intervene with someone personal space and just text them again. So we are always going to give them an option of unsubscribe. How to do that, I'll show you. So if they click on let's make money, they'll be redirected to your page. If they want to unsubscribe, we can create a button for that. So what I have done is no thanks. So now what we have to do is So if in case they don't want to do it, or they just want to unsubscribe is, so we'll click on, we have made this button of no thanks, and now uh wait, yeah, actions. And action will be like unsubscribe from sequence, which is, the name is $1 million challenge sequence, so it automatically shows done. So as soon as the person is going to click on no thanks, he will be unsubscribed from the list. So by this we are giving people option that, okay, in case you don't want our messages to continue, it's done. So now simple, publish. Okay, now we'll go back to sequence, $1 million. Now after what time you want to send this message, again we have to select this. Usually I do it after 3 hours. So I pick 3 hours. You can fix this according to you. You can play with the tool, as I keep on saying. 3 hours. Okay, now one thing which I've seen a lot of people do is wrong is, and this sequence stop working is, you want to have the sequence in the right order. Like suppose the first text is after 1 hour, the next one is after 3 hours. If you'll keep the first text after 4 hours and the next one is after 1 hour, sequence is not going to work. So you have to keep your sequence in right order, after 1 hour, after 3 hours. All right, sorted. So we'll come to the next text. Let's see. Again, we click on edit flow. Alright guys, again I'm saying, if you want the sequence, you can email me. I'll drop my email at the last, so that's not a problem. So let's see what have I created here. Again, it's very simple. Again, I'm copy pasting. So hey, first name, have you seen what's happening on Facebook recently? Simple. Again, there's a delay, then there's a text. So I'm going to add a delay from here. Delay, maybe 3 seconds will do. Then there's a text. So again, I'm just simply copy pasting the text. Okay, and again there's a delay I have added. So again, you can pick anything. If you want to show some image here, or you want to put on straight away, you want to put on text, you don't want to add delay, you can do that. So I'm just doing what is working for me. So again, there's a delay. It makes it more real. All right, so let's do it for 5 seconds. Again I'll add up text. So again, the motive is to get the lead on your page, on your $1 million challenge funnel. So again, we're going to add up the button. So what the button says, let's do it. So I'm going to make the same. Let's do this. Okay. Again, open website. Again, the same secured place page. Done. Again, we are going to give the option of unsubscribing. So again, we'll say no. Sorry, no. Thanks. Action, you go on action, unsubscribe from sequence, and you'll choose the sequence which you have named $1 million challenge sequence. So automatically the person will get unsubscribed from the sequence. Done. Publish. Again, after how many hours or days you want to send this message. Let's see. I'm sending this after 2 days. Okay. Alright, so sorted. Because we don't want to bombard people with with the text. So probably this works for me. Again, you can play with the tool. Alright, so now the last, again, yeah, we have to just move this tab. So now we'll come to the last text which I have put it. Again, we click on edit flow. Let me see whatever I create. Okay, this one is little tricky, but not that much. Again, sorry. Edit flow. Yes. Again, there is a delay. So delay of 3 seconds. Then again, there is a text. See how I created. I'm just trying to make it more interactive for the people. So okay, in this message, hey, first name, can I ask you a question? Again, there's a delay. What do you want in life? Do you want to be stuck in your 9 to 5 your job, or you want to come, you just want to get freedom? So what I did, I'm just trying to interact with people. All right, just make it a little playful for them. So here you can see I've created a freedom and a 9 to 5. So we'll pick freedom. Okay, now in this, what I want is, as soon as somebody clicks on freedom, rather than just redirecting them to the secure place, I want them to go on a next text. It makes it more interactive. All right, so how to do that, I'll show you. just also. Anyways, so here we are for the last thing, education message, as you can see. Now we're going to click on edit flow. This is something which is a fun way to do it, as it helps you in interacting with your leads, and put them like, just motivating them to buy this, if they want to be an entrepreneur, or do make money online. So this is something which helps them, rather than just making it boring a little. My last text is a little bit interactive. So as you can see here, first name, can I ask you a quick question? Then you have a delay. What do you want in life? Do you want to be stuck in 9 5, hating your life and counting down the days to your retirement, or do you want to live a life of freedom? So just see how I made this a little interactive. So as soon as the person is going to click on freedom, I'm not releasing the person on the, again, that secure place page or your funnel. I made another message. So what, I'll show you how to do that. So once a person click on freedom, like, you add button and you type their freedom, so the next thing comes is send message. So yeah, again, I have this ready, so you can see person clicks on the freedom, and this is the text which that person gets. So again, I'm copy pasting. All right, then again I have added a delay. Again, you can put the delay from here, a 3 seconds delay. And again, I have this message. uh, so just you can write according to you, whatever suits you. So again, you can see, I'm sorry, again you can see there's a delay, and again there's a text, and then there's this button of yes. So what we're going to do is, yeah, we're going to put a delay. See, this video is going on because I'm telling you exact step by step. So again, there's a text. Let's say now add button, and where we have, okay, let's do it in capital. Yes. Okay, so now what happens when somebody clicks on yes? It lands up to the send message, a second message. How to do that? Again, like we did it on the first one. When a person clicks on yes, send message. So here you're going to type your message, and my second message is again this, this. Now we have to add a button. Now here I've added, I'm ready. Like after interacting with it, when you read the messages, you'll get an idea how I'm interacting with them. So I am ready. So this is just to make it a little interactive, just to break the the bot thing. I'm ready. So again, what we're going to do with on this link is that we are going to redirect him to, again, that secured place or your funnel. So copy, put this on, done, and just publish. Sorted. There you go. So your sequences are ready. All right. So again, what we're going to do is, yeah, sequence. Now, when you want to send this message, I plan this after 4 days. So see how I planned my sequence. First, the person gets the welcome message, then a message after hour, after 3 hours, after 2 days, and then after, we're going to plan this after 4 days. Save and update schedule, move the tab to on. That's it. It's that easy. All right. So in the next step, I'm going to show you, or tell you how to attach that secure button, secure your spot with Facebook Messenger, on with the help of entering into your Build It All back office, plus using ManyChats. Okay. Guys, we're back. The next step which you have to do is you have to create this button, secure your spot with Facebook Messenger, as you can see it. So it's pretty easy. Again, get back to your ManyChats account. I'm already there. Click on new growth, and now what I have to do is just follow the steps. Messenger F URL. Okay, this is something important. The sequence which should be here is, you have to replace it with uh, the one which has your welcome message. So select this flow, and here you just click on $1,000,000 challenge sequence, click on next. Oh sorry, you have to save it. Save. Now just copy this. Okay, now log into your Build It All back office. I'm already here. Click on edit, will come here. Now it's pretty simple. Now what you have to do is double tap here, and yeah, choose this eye. Here we go. Now you have to add a button. So click here, button, choose whatever button you want to. So I choose buy now. So now what you have to do is you have to change this buy now with secure your spot. So we go on text. All right, secure your spot with Facebook. MSG confirm. So you can say it has changed now. Now again click here, go on actions, web address, and here you have to put the thing which we copied from the mini chat. Here you can see we have copied this, right? So we just have to paste it here and okay. Now one thing more which a lot of people forget to do is you have to create the same tab for the mobile version too. So you go on here first. Okay, first just let's save and publish. Save and publish. Now we have to repeat the step for mobile version, guys. Don't forget about this. A lot of people forget about this. So when it comes to mobile, if somebody is logging into your link or from a mobile version, then there's a problem. So go on mobile, just repeat this step. So again click on I, it's already here. Same thing, nothing which you have to change. Click on actions, it is already here. Okay, click on save and publish. Alright guys, so this is how you create, and now I'll show you that okay this thing is working. So confirm. Now let's see that okay is it working properly or not. So I'll just sorry, I've just copied this link. Now let's check. If you want to ask me regarding Builderall or you want more tutorials, just I'll just drop my email at the end. So you just can email me or you can add me on Facebook with Ritvik Sood. Alright guys, it was nice. See you guys on the other side. Bye.